Okay, assalamu alaikum. So we can learn the grades of the osteoporosis, how severe it is. But in this X-ray film, you can appreciate well the osteoporosis in knee joint. Now this is an X-ray film of 8-year-old female. She had a history of falling. So here you can appreciate well that in the radius it is oblique and ulna it is a spiral fracture. So the question arises, which one of these have good prognosis? Please comment on it. So this is another case of falling. A 39-year-old man having history of falling, and he had a pain in this heel. So after doing X-ray, it is confirmed that he is tongue depressed, split fracture in the calcaneum. You can appreciate it very well. Okay, so this is another case of 9-year-old female having history of falling, and she had a pain in the foot. So after doing X-ray, it is seen and it is confirmed that she had a split fracture in the calcaneum. So I will go through various X-ray and I will tell you how we can appreciate it well and how can we take the history from the patient. I am going through several X-rays, then I will tell you in brief. So this is an X-ray film of spine, and you can appreciate it well that there is compression fracture in T12. So you can appreciate well in this X-ray. So this is an X-ray film of 3-year-old female having history of falling. So you can see here that in radius and ulna in the mid of the shaft there is an X-ray film showing and appreciate well that there is a fracture. So it is a spiral fracture. So now this is an X-ray film of 65-year-old female having osteoarthritis grade 2. So how we can grade it, I will explain you in the next video, but just see in this X-ray how can you appreciate that there is a in the knee joint, you can see the gap in between the knee joint is very less. So it is osteoarthritis grade 2. So here you can appreciate well. So whenever you are taking the history of the patient, ask where is the location you have a pain and how is there is any history of falling. So in this X-ray film you can see that it is a X-ray film of 25-year-old female having history of falling, and it is a fracture of the metatarsal. You can see that there is a fracture in the metatarsal bone, fourth metatarsal bone. So you can appreciate here the X-ray of LS spine. So here it is normal, there is no compression, no fracture, and if the patient complains that there is back pain and it is chronic, so you can go through the CT or MRI and you can see the ligamentum flavum. If there is compression is there, so you can go through it. So it is in this X-ray it is LS spine, it is normal and there is no fracture as well as there is no compression in between. So in this X-ray you can appreciate very well that there is fracture in lateral malleolus. So in the fibula it is very you can know that whenever there is fracture, the this fibula bone, it is very much exposed and very much there is more chances of fracture in the fibula. So there is fracture in the lateral malleolus. There is a history of the female. She is old, 60-year-old female and having history of falling. So you can appreciate well in the lateral malleolus that there is fracture. So this is an X-ray of elbow, left elbow, and he is a patient of 44-year-old man, has a history of injury, pain in left elbow since 1 month, and after doing X-ray of left elbow and forearm, because it was a query that either he is having displacement of elbow, so it was referred to ortho, and ortho opinion and X-ray of left elbow was done. So it was seen that he had a lateral epicondylitis. So a patient is complaining an injury, and in the elbow he had a pain, chronic pain since 1 month. So the picture goes to lateral epicondylitis, and because so the medication like diclo, pentop, calcium multivitamin is given, and one injection that is Kenacort. this injection Kenacort, that is triamcinolone acetone injection was given, followed by Ciplox 500 mg is given. So if there is any chronic pain, and so if the diagnosis is lateral epicondylitis, this is important to note here that there is another than medication, the injection that is Kenacort is given. So it is steroid, and it if there is an inflammation, so it reduces the inflammation, and but it is given only once, and only in the chronic case, not in the acute case, because otherwise it had injury to the meniscus, so it was given. So this is lateral epicondylitis.